Welcome to Unitech Water Solution, your trusted partner in turnkey projects of water, wastewater and beverage production line. Incepted in 2005, Unitech Water Solution has been at the forefront of designing, implementing and managing innovative products worldwide. With a commitment to excellence and sustainability, we have earned a reputation as a leading authority in the water and wastewater purification and beverage industry. Our vision is clear as water, to provide the highest quality of mineral water to communities around the globe while respecting the environment and empowering local communities. At Unitech Water Solution, we have successfully delivered numerous turnkey projects tailored to the specific needs of our clients. From initial planning and designing to installation and commissioning, our expert team of engineers, technicians, and project managers ensures a seamless and efficient process, guaranteeing the utmost client satisfaction. We offer a complete gamut of turnkey projects of water treatment plant and beverage production line project consultancy, procurement of an industrial goods and annual maintenance contracts, AMC, covered under one roof. Sustainability is at the core of everything we do. We employ state-of-the-art technologies and follow environmentally friendly practices to minimize our carbon footprint and reduce waste. Through collaborations with non-profit organizations, we have provided access to clean water to thousands of people in underserved regions, improving their health and quality of life. But don't take our word for it. Hear what some of our esteemed clients have to say about their experience with Unitech Water Solution. you ready to embark on a journey towards providing safe and refreshing mineral water to the world? Join hands with Unitech Water Solution, your reliable partner for turnkey beverage production line. Contact us today and together, let's build a sustainable future for generations to come. Contact us today and together, let's build a sustainable future for generations to come.